What are we cooking today, Joyce?
We're making a Vietnamese inspired, I wouldn't say Vietnamese, inspired shrimp wrap. But let me do the sauce first because the shallot need to be marinated with the lemon juice. Shallot is a little bit more dirty, that's why you need to wash it. You think 2 is enough? Never. I got 4 of them. Cut it as thin as possible. This is a beautiful shallot. I never see it like this long.
Where do you get that from?
Italy. Lemon juice. Cut the end off. The lemon doesn't look too good today. Don't say too close because it might spoil you. You can do lime too. That's quite a bit of lemon. Just from 2 lemons. A little bit Japanese vinegar. And that's it. Try to cook the shrimp already. Because the shrimp need to be cool. Show you how to devein it. But this one, I have another chance to clean it because I'm going to split it. Or else it will be too big to wrap it. If you see dirt, you can still clean it.
How'd you cook it?
I just blanch it. Put it in hot water until it turns cold. See, I like the tail because it's pretty. I just slit it open. I'm putting a bunch of different things in it. Pretty flexible. I love asparagus. That's why I'm putting asparagus in it. And I want to show you how to do the red pepper. You roll it around, right? Cut out the top too. Don't cut it all the way through. Just show you why. Right? And then you twisted it. The whole thing come out. And then you cut this. And then you cut out this. It's not pretty. And then you cut it. And then you're just prepping a bunch of stuff on the side. You can have a party. You don't wrap it. They wrap it for themselves. Do it yourself, kind of, you know?
Yeah.
I'm going to get the wrap and show you how to wrap it. The warm water. Well, it's not big enough. So you sort of feel it that it's not too soft. But don't let it sit for too long. Or it's going to tear apart. Then you put it on a piece of paper towel to get rid of the water. I usually really easy, but when you're demonstrating, it's like, yeah. Then you put a couple of the asparagus, a couple of these. Put a basil. And you can put carrot, but I don't like carrot. Put a shrimp, one in here, one in there, and roll it. See, all Colvin care is the dipping sauce, and then you cut it.
Extra time.
It basically a balance of sweet and sour and salt. And then I'll put a little bit of liquid amino and then fish sauce. That sort of make it Asian. You want a little shot glass, a little salt. Well, Colvin said, oh, cool, is getting more. A little honey. And then let it melt a little bit and we'll taste it. I don't usually put oil in it because I think it's healthier. Let it melt. I'll taste it first.
That one could be yours, Joy.
No, this one's yours. Okay,
Picture time.